Hi guys, it's another day of our company logo redesigning series, and today on our table we have this 3D YouTube logo. So as usual, we are going to redesign this inside Adobe Illustrator here in this video, one step at a time. So let's go and see. First of all, inside Adobe Illustrator, we are going to start by drawing the rectangle shape, which is the base shape of our YouTube logo. So in the tools bar here, I'll click in the shape and select this rectangle tool in order to draw here the rectangle shape. So I just drag and draw it like this one. Here we have it, and I want to align it at the center like that one. And now I want to make these corners rounded, so I'll just click these anchor points and drag inside in order to make it smooth like this one. I like this one. So after having this rectangle shape, which is the base shape, now we're going to add the play button, which is the triangle shape. So to add the triangle, I'll just click now the polygon tool. I'll select here the polygon tool, and I will left click in order to select this number of sides. And because I need the triangle shape, so I select 3 sides here. And now let us put here radius 50, just like that one, and click OK. We have this one now, and let us give it the white color first and try to rotate it perfectly in order to be like a play button. Holding shift and alt, make it a little bit bigger. Now I'll select everything here and align everything at the center. So now after having it like this one, I'm going now to add the 3D effects in our design. So I'll start by selecting this rectangle shape here behind, and I select here the properties panel to open these properties, and I come here to choose some effects. So in this effects, I'll open this one and I go all the way to 3D and materials, and I want 3D classic. From here now I'll select the extrude and bevel like this one, and now you can see it has brought this dialog box where I can choose the properties of the 3D material that I want to add in this shape. So first of all, I leave here the position to be off axis front like this one, and now I'm going to add bevel here. So I'll open this one and I'll add this round, so to round here like this one. And now I'll just add the depth here, 60 points. I put here the height to 30 points. I'm not going to change anything here, but you can play with it in order to explore more effects here. But I just click OK for now. After having it like this one, I'm going now to do the same for this play button. So I click now the play button, and I go again to effects here, 3D and materials, all the way to 3D classics and extrude and bevel classic like that one. And now I'm going to add the same here. I'll choose here the round one, this one tall round like that one, and I'll add the depth to 16 as how we did with the rectangle, and I'll put here the height to 30. And after having it like this one, I just click OK, and boom, here we are. As you can see, we are done making this 3D YouTube logo inside Adobe Illustrator here in this video, and I hope you've enjoyed this one. And if it is like that, give me thumbs up. And if it's your first time to visit our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button for more content. I hope to see you next Thursday. Keep creating, keep making stuffs, keep pushing your limit, and most of all, have fun of it. Bless.